So yeah, people, I've just installed the keycaps as well. I just need to install the arrow keys. So let me just show you how to install the keycaps as well. So as you can see, there's this plus sign, it's engraved. So it's just going to fit inside this switch. What I have to do is I just have to align this here, just push it gently, and as you can see, it's been fixed. If you want to remove it, you can use this tool. You just have to place it above, fix it, pull it. It's just going to be easier for you. Let's do this for the right one as well. As you can see, it's easier. Let's do it for the down. Sometimes you will hear a little bit of a clicky sound, and sometimes you won't. So I mean, yeah, this is how the entire board looks like right now.